Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix the chat lock option not showing on WhatsApp. First of all, open Settings. Scroll down to go to General. Then click on iPhone Storage. Open WhatsApp from here. Click on Offload App. By doing this, the storage will be free and the space consumed by the app will be free. Now, close the settings. Go into App Store. Here search WhatsApp. See if you have the latest version of WhatsApp. If you do, then open WhatsApp. Then open any chat and go into its info. Click on Chat Lock. Here you can see the chat locks. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.